Good morning to all. Welcome back to my channel. Hi, this is Mananjan Shaw from Bhubaneswar, Odisha. And today I'm going to solve the programming in Python's week 1, assignment 1, and solutions, which last date is 31st March 2025. Okay, let's start. See, here we can find 10 questions. Okay, we will try to solve the 10 questions one by one. Let's start the first question here. What is a problem? Four options are given. See, what is a problem? A problem is a situation preventing something from being achieved. Okay. Problem. What is a problem? A problem is a situation preventing something from being achieved. Okay. So one option B is the correct answer. Moving to the question number 2. Which of the following is an example of a algorithm approach to solve to problem solving? Algorithm approach means finding the shortest path within the two locations. Finding the shortest path between the two locations. Moving to the question number 3. What is the key effect of problem solving? What is the key effect? Key effect is thinking logically. You have to think logically. 3 option A. Moving to the question number 4. Which of the following is a part of a experimentation approach in ideal? Experimentation approach means knowing the facts linked with the problem. Knowing the facts linked with the problem. Moving to the question number 5. What is the step in solving the problem using a computer? Using a computer, defining and analyzing the problem. Defining and analyzing the problem. 5 option B. Moving to the question number 6. What is the process of converting source codes into machine readable format? Source codes to machine readable format, that is called compilation. Moving to the question 6 option B. Moving to the question number 7. What type of error occurs if the logic of the program does not produce the desired output? Okay. If there is a problem in the logic, then what it will be? It will be treated as a logical error. Okay. Moving to the question number 8. What document helps guide the end user through the operation of the program? Okay. It is user manual. Okay. It is user manual. 8 option B. Moving to the question number 9. What type of error occurs when the program has a incorrect syntax? If it is an incorrect syntax, it will be a compilation error. Next question. What is the purpose of the inline document in a program? Inline document in a program, that is called to convey the meaning of the program to human readers. That is 10 option C. 1 second we will verify the answer. Question number 1 is B. Question number 2 is also B. Question number 3 A. Question number 4 A. Question number 5 B. Question number 6 B. Question number 7 B. Question number 8 also B. Question number 9 C. And question number 10 is C. Now I am going to submit the answer. Okay. What the message came? The message, your answer are successfully submitted. Okay. Thanks for taking the assessment 1 in January 2025. Assignment submission date is clearly mentioned here, guys. And very soon we will try to produce quiz 2, assignment 2, January 2025. Okay. So if you like this video, you can subscribe my channels and you can share this channel to your friends and colleagues so that other people, those who are preparing for the programming in Python for NPTEL program, or CEC programming in Python, they can able to understand. Okay. Thank you.